Football fans want to watch multiple NFL games at the same time and never miss a big play? Today, I'm showing you how to use Multiview with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV so you can follow all your favorite teams at once. First, open YouTube TV on your browser, smart TV, or mobile app, and make sure you're signed in with the account that has NFL Sunday Ticket. Next, navigate to the NFL Sunday Ticket channel or section. Now, enable Multiview in the player controls. This feature lets you watch up to 4 games simultaneously, so you can track multiple matchups at the same time. You can customize your view by selecting which games appear in each quadrant, and even switch the main screen to highlight a specific game while still keeping an eye on the others. Multiview works with live games, local and national broadcasts, and out-of-market Sunday games. For the ultimate experience, combine it with NFL Red Zone to catch every touchdown from every game. And that's it. Multiview makes watching NFL Sunday Ticket smarter and more exciting. Subscribe for more streaming tips and never miss a single play again.